Hey there guys, John here. Now, if you're looking for a really cool way to save and store your files conveniently, then the iUSB Storer is definitely the answer for you. It's an iFlash drive. It's 128 gigabyte. You can use it on an Android or you can use it on an iPhone. I'm just going to take this out of the box real quick just to demonstrate how it works. Has some software you can install on the PC if you would like to use the software. I don't. Mine automatically detects it as soon as you plug it in. But yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's like a gold color. It's got the little switch there. I don't know if you can see it very clearly or not, right there. So at its present state, it's set to the iPhone. So you'd plug that part into the iPhone, and then you'd send your files directly to the flash drive and then over to the computer or the desired location of where you want to send it. And the other really cool feature as well is you just slide it like this, like so. That turns into USB, which then you'll plug it straight into the computer. Really cool part of this now is that you just push that up like so, and then it becomes the Android port. I don't know if you can see that clearly or not, but this little part here. I've got my phone here just to demonstrate how it goes in. You want to keep your finger down on the switch part, otherwise it will just move. Yes, it clicks in like so. And that's it. And the same thing, you'll just locate your files, like pictures or videos. You just send it directly to this. It will automatically pick it up on your phone. And then once you've done that, you send it. And that's it. Very convenient. Very simple to use. I was pretty blown away actually of how quick it was. You can put like music on here. Great for like, you know, if you want to listen to music in the car. If you've got a USB port, you can just plug this straight in and play your songs directly from this. I would highly recommend you get one. Very quick delivery, very reasonably priced. So thank you for watching.